This is the future of marketing. What is marketing? And I feel like this is important to realize before we get into the future of it. So marketing is promoting and selling products or services, and it includes research and advertising. Some of the current marketing styles are long-term influencer, video-based, online content, personalized advertising based on search history, billboards, posters, and newspapers ads. And as you can see, many of these are already based on the internet and how well videos respond to a customer or target market. And marketing over the next 5 to 10 years is going to change drastically, I feel. And some of those changes are going to be that since we still have this hunter and gatherer trait, we're going to continue to adapt and improvise and decide what we can do in order to market the best. So the idea of marketing won't change, but how we do it will. And what's going to change? So, like I said, we're just keeping the same thing when it comes to marketing and advertising. You're still trying to sell the product to the customer, but the way that we do it is going to change. So social media is going to continue to grow, and as social media continues to grow, the platforms will continue to grow for any company, any person, any business, any small product, whatever it is. You will be able to go on there and create anything you want. So the old marketers will be gone. There won't be too many more tangible billboards, advertisement, or newspaper ads. Everything will go online. I don't know about you guys, but when I drive around nowadays, I see more and more empty billboards every single day. And when I was younger, I would see stuff all over the billboards, full. So what are some of the new type of marketing and advertisements that'll come out? Companies are going to be able to start marketing in the metaverse. So what is the metaverse? The metaverse is just a continuous virtual reality where people put on the goggles and they go in there and they can do whatever they want, and it's not real. So what the metaverse creators are trying to begin doing is they're trying to begin having the ability for real companies to go in there and buy the virtual billboards and advertise on the metaverse. And then people that are in the metaverse will be able to see the company, and that will be their advertisement. And also, this has been around for a little while now, but it's really starting to pick up, is influencer marketing is becoming really prominent. And many, many, many companies are using people that got famous off TikTok, Instagram, whatever it may be, to attract their followers, their people into their company. So it's really easy. They'll pay the influencer to make a video, and the influencer will make a video, and then they'll give them a discount code, and the discount code will be applied when the customer goes in and buys the product. How will these help? Well, VR is a market that is yet to be tapped into. So if you could be one of the first ones to get in there and you can get your advertisements all over, that will greatly improve your company. And also with the growing of social media and all these apps, the amount of creators and content or influencers is growing drastically. So companies won't have to pay as much to advertising teams. Also, they don't even need an influencer. They could just get on there themselves, and all they need to do is have a phone. And the company doesn't even need to advertise or pay for advertising. All they need is a phone and to take a video of their product and post it, and that'll get them the exposure that they want. Will offline marketing still be a thing? Yes, companies will still buy billboards and advertisement spaces, but I think that that's going to be the higher up companies, the more rich companies. I think startup companies are just going to continue to start on social media, and not too many of them will try to expand into billboards until they can. And this is my work site. Thank you.